Right now, as you're watching this video, your bank is probably charging you for something you didn't even know existed. Last year alone, the average American lost around $577 to fees they never saw coming. According to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, that's a car payment, that's groceries for a month, and it's disappearing from your account while you sleep. You think you know what your bank charges you? You don't. Not really, because they've gotten very good at hiding these fees in places you'd never think to look. Let me start with the big one, overdraft fees. Here's what they don't tell you. Many banks reorder transactions from largest to smallest, which can turn a few small purchases into multiple overdraft fees. Let's say you wake up Monday morning with $100 in your account. Throughout the day, you buy coffee for $5, lunch for $12, gas for $40, and groceries for $65. You did the math. You have enough. But here's the trick. Your bank processes the $65 grocery charge first, leaving you with $35. Then the $40 gas charge hits. Overdraft, that's $35. Then the $12 lunch. Overdraft, another $35. Then the $5 coffee. Overdraft, another $35. You made 4 purchases thinking you were fine. But now you owe $105 in overdraft fees. This isn't a bug in the system. This is by design. In 2023, banks made over $8 billion from overdraft fees alone. For the average person hit with this, that's about $175 a year. Next up, monthly maintenance fees. That free checking account you signed up for? Read the fine print. Most banks charge $10 to $25 per month unless you maintain a minimum balance, have direct deposit, or make a certain number of transactions. Miss any of those requirements, and boom, monthly fee. That's $180 a year on average. ATM fees hit you twice. You use an out-of-network ATM and it charges you $3. Except your bank also charges you $3 for using that ATM. So that quick $40 withdrawal just cost you $6 in fees. Do that twice a month and you're looking at $144 a year. Here's one that makes my blood boil. Minimum balance penalties. Some banks charge you a fee if your balance drops below a certain threshold. You're being charged a fee for not having enough money. Fall below the minimum 3 times a year, and that's another $35. Then there are wire transfer fees, $15 to $35 just to send your own money. Paper statement fees, up to $60 a year for physical records. And my personal favorite in terms of absolute absurdity, inactivity fees. You open a savings account and don't touch it because that's what savings is for. Some banks will charge $5 to $10 per month if the account sits dormant. You're literally being punished for saving money. Add it all up and you're easily over $500 a year. For many people, it's closer to $700 or $800. So why does this happen? Here's the truth they won't tell you. This isn't accidental. Fee income is a core part of the banking profit model. In 2023, the 6 largest banks in America made over $30 billion in overdraft and maintenance fees alone. And it's coming directly out of the pockets of people who can least afford it. But here's the good news. You're not helpless. First, audit your bank statements. Pull up the last 3 months right now. Look for every single fee. Write them down. Add them up. Second, call your bank and dispute fees. Use this script. Hi, I'm looking at my account and I see an overdraft fee from last week. I've been a customer for X years and I'd like this reversed as a courtesy. Be polite but firm. Banks often reverse fees if you ask. Third, switch to a no-fee bank or credit union. Most local credit unions have accounts with no monthly fees, no minimum balances, and no overdraft fees. Fourth, set up alerts. Most banking apps let you set notifications when your balance drops below a certain amount. You'll get a text immediately, giving you time to transfer money before any overdraft happens. Fifth, opt out of overdraft protection. If you opt out, your card will simply be declined if you don't have enough money. Yes, it might be embarrassing, but it's better than owing $105 in fees. Finally, go paperless and set up direct deposit. If your bank requires these to waive monthly fees, just do it. It takes 5 minutes and saves you hundreds. Your bank has been quietly taking $500 from you every year. It's time to take it back. If you learned something new or enjoyed this video, hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching.